The page number 4. Okay, the PDF. Yeah, 4. The school has sent it. Okay, ice cream man. So the new words I have given to you, and here also the meaning. And reading is fun. So that also I have given the questions. You have to write the answer, but I could not get the answer. You have to send the answers to me. Okay. So I am giving you the let us write. Having an ice cream on a hot summer day is exciting and enjoyable. So when you get an ice cream, okay, any kind of ice cream, vanilla or chocolate or strawberry, anything like that, okay, then what do you feel? You are so much excited, you are so much happy, excited or happy, isn't it? You are so much excited, or you are so happy. You are so happy. Okay. Why you are so happy? Because you got the ice cream during the summer. Okay. So enjoyable things that one can do. Yes, you are very happy. So the same way, what you have to do? What can you do in the winter season? What are you going to do in the winter season? Summer season, when you get an ice cream, you like it. But during the winter is very, very cold, winter. It's so cold. It's so cold. The season is very cold, winter season. And especially this in Tamil Nadu, September and August, September, October, that time it is very cold. Okay. So what kind of activities you are doing? You have to tell me, what are you doing in the early morning? You tell me, what are you doing? Are you looking around this fire? Yes. Are you making this fire with this dry leaves, this firewood like that? Are you making campfire just like that and sitting very near that campfire? Are you doing like that? Then you be getting warm. You are so happy because the climate is very, very cool. Okay, very cold. Now you are very happy. You are sitting around that, or you have to go to the kitchen and you have to stay very near where your mother is cooking with this traditional method of cooking. But if mother is using the gas and like that, you cannot be able to do. So many activities. Then what is the other activity? You tell me. I do not know. You have to write that. Then what are you doing in the night? What kind of activity? You like to play in the night? Then what you are doing? So there are two, yes. Some of the enjoyable things, what you can do in the winter season. What are the activities you can do in the winter season? So let us write. This one you have to write it and you have to say to me. You write in simple. I like to play in the winter season. Or I like to eat too much and I like to sleep. All these things. You write it and you send to me. I will correct it and I will send back to you. Okay, the next one is, what are the activities you are doing during the summer? This is winter season. Winter season. This is summer. Summer activities. What are the different activities during the summer? Can you see a picture? What the boy is doing? Yes, can you see? Are you sitting like that and you are doing something? What kind of activity? You have to complete this one. List as many summer activities. There are so many summer activities, one by one. Okay, you are watching something by using this one. What is that? Your smartphone. You are lying where? Outside. Okay, you can make an umbrella. You can get it like that, or you can make a tent and you can lie down and you can watch. That is an activity. Or you can sit with your family members and you can ask to sing one line or two lines, just like that. To write which are the summer activities you can do here. This is the homework for tomorrow. You have to do.